people. It is always any leader, wherever he goes to do a transformational change. The starting point always with the people. It's not about the hardware or the software or the budget. It's about the people, how he can take them to his side, how he can differentiate what they have to the rest of the world. We were actually at the crossroad when we contacted the OTN Systems. We were having a couple of options where to go, whom to select. It's a very tricky market, so you need to make sure that the one whom you're bartering with has got the know-how. I have, generally speaking in life, a very basic model called usability model. Once we started evaluating the companies who are submitted for us the proposal, the techno-commercial proposals, OTN was really very focused, and the whole system was based on usability, and that is the most important thing. I don't want to bring a system to my people where they really get frustrated, they don't know how to operate it, they don't know how to use it. So usability is the key word here. I think cybersecurity has been a challenge everywhere in the world now. At the same time, the IT, as you know, technology gets evolved very fast nowadays over the years. The feedback where they get from the customers like us is an important point to be considered by the manufacturer and the suppliers. And this is what I felt actually the OTN is doing. That coordination, the almost weekly progress meeting we're having with our MBLB consultant was really paying off. And we have seen the tangible result before even the result. Anyone can do market research and tells you, that your product is needed. But the connectivity between you and the mindset who takes the decision is a challenge. And you have to appreciate it's not like, yes or no, and sometimes you have to keep hammering 2 or 3 times. But what I'm really happy about that the way how OTN Systems worked with us closely, we really became so much strategically partners with the help of our consultant, the MBLB, and we became a benchmark now for the whole region. They all visiting us to see how we really did that transformation change and the SCADA system in a very short span of time, and how it was successful. Also within the country itself, they have 4 other big utility companies, all of them with no exception. They knock our door, they came and they have seen the transformational change we have done, and we became a benchmark. We became a real success story that with goodwill, passion, dedication, commitment, and working closely together, you can create a difference.
OTN Systems, committed to get your information across.